that when it comes to Ethereum, or certainly when it comes to cryptocurrencies as a whole, something that we always kind of badger on about is the fact that you really should be trading these markets more as an investor than a trader. So you should be looking for long-term positions that you're able to buy into, not necessarily trading in the same way as you would the Forex market with leverage, as it were. Just simply trade them more like a stock, so that you can just simply buy, hold, and the volatility in cryptocurrency means that your returns will always be more than enough to the upside, but certainly will protect you against the downside. We go into that in that's kind of a separate topic, but when we're looking at Ethereum, let's have a look into where levels are that we've marked out. We've got our weekly lows around the 1750 region, not touched back into that region just yet, and we've got this downside target if the red line got broken, and that's exactly what happened. Okay, so this was back here that we'd got this marked in at. Markets dropped below, and this was the downside target. If it did drop below that, would be the level that it would move into. But now this level is going to be acting, well, realistically, most of the liquidity at that level has already been used up. So whether or not that's as relevant anymore, probably not. But this now is going to be the significant level. Don't need as much text on there anymore, but this is going to be a key level on the 4-hour chart that I'll be watching as, can we break back above this 2600 region? That's going to be the major test for the market. So again, this here, don't necessarily need that, because that's talking about where it's rejected it for the last couple of days. Now on the daily time frame, we are rejecting these bodies. Okay, so from what the chart's telling me, we've got candles that were not able to close below this level. I'm going to mark that in on the daily. Candles were not able to close below that, and we moved up higher. Tapped back into it once and moved off it higher. Okay, now we broke through it very slyly, if you like. So broke through that level. I'm just going to tidy that up, try and get that right on the bottom of the candles. And then we tapped back into it. Look, so this is really significant price action. So tapped back into it before then the market is sold off quite significantly. So could Ethereum be heading back lower? From this chart, we need to get back above this 2260, 2270 level as soon as possible. We need a break back above and a daily close back above this level before you can start looking at 2600 or 2900 as targets. If we don't, the longer we stay below this level, then the weekly lows come into focus. Even though we're getting these support levels off this here and here, then we certainly will, there's always the potential we could drop back into this level before moving back up. So I don't think many people want to see 1750 for Ethereum again. But from what the chart's telling us, it is a possibility. The longer that we stay below this level, and certainly if we kind of keep seeing more of this candle wick action above and kind of rejecting it, then probably the next logical step will be moving back down to the weekly lows. But hopefully we can break back above and carry on recovering from this price level. That was probably the most relevance that I can kind of talk into there.